I've been holding Kevinae like this. I'm giving her some tummy time. Went outside and I gave her the sunbath for the jaundice. And now she inside getting some tummy time. And she been like this about half an hour now. No fussiness, no nothing. I guess it's because her head is laid off, her eyes. So this is actually a good way to give your baby tummy time. She blew me away with this position. I thought she would have gotten fussy by now, but I guess she liked this. She liked the fact that a little part of her head is hanging off and she can glimpse what she can at. She's just 2 weeks old, so you know the vision not too clear. I don't know, she loved this and she's not sleeping. There she is, just doing her thing. The only issue I have with her, the heat rash. But other than that, she's good. She starts to learn to hold up her head with her little feet them. So this is a good way that you can give your baby some tummy time while she's not sleeping. Just allow her to just relax until she say when. Now I'm getting some movements. Half an hour she been there and there was no movements. I was like, she's actually enjoying her tummy time. She is. Say yes, mommy. Thank you for this. She's always on her back and on her side. Maybe, you know. She's just 2 weeks old, people. But she's big. I have a chubby baby. Yeah. I think maybe by now she's gone over 9 pounds. She's 8 pounds. The last I checked at 60. But she don't play with her food. I love everything about her. She's only fussy when she wants her. Other than that, it is a gem. Once you see she start to get fussy, can I get some milk, please? Some milk here? Milk in my mouth, milk in my tummy. But other than that, she's just a gem. And I love to hear her cry a little. So she knows that, oh, mommy, you're coming, mommy, you're not coming. And then, yeah. Sometimes she cries. She don't cry for long because she realizes that she's not coming. Mommy not coming. So she just is quiet right back down. I don't want her to be spoiled. So I try not to do too much hands. Tummy time. So this is Kevinae enjoying tummy time. What I would like to say is that tummy time come natural for all babies. So this will work for you when you realize that when you ready to put down your baby, you realize this will work for your baby, you know. So just enjoy the process, enjoy motherhood, kiss your little one for me. And if you're new to my channel, please remember to hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching.